Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another carnival slash fair iced latte, and today's going to be the fried ice cream. Now here are the ingredients. Inside of here I already have my milk, and that's what I'm going to use to add my coffee. I have 2 packets, the instant kind. I got my salt. I got my corn syrup. I'm going to be using my cherries to top it off. There's my powdered sugar. Right here is my vanilla bean paste. I'm going to be using my brown butter emulsion. I need my ice cream. Well, this is not ice cream, I guess. This is actually the dairy dessert. If you want to actually get the ice cream, go ahead, but I just got this. It's close enough. And if you see my fried cheesecake iced latte, I have my leftover fried cornflake. So yeah, this is about it. Yeah, I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to take my cup, and I'm going to use my vanilla bean paste and just smear it in the inside to decorate it. I'm gonna get my brush and spread on the top. Alright, now I'm gonna take my crushed. I want to make it smaller, but I don't feel like using the food processor. I'm just crush it up more with my hand. I'm just gonna rim it and hopefully it sticks. Guess it's good enough. Alright, I'm gonna make my coffee real quick. I got my milk. I'm gonna mix everything together with this too. Alright, so I'm gonna do a half tablespoon vanilla paste. Put it in here. I use a half tablespoon as well of my brown butter emulsion. Put that in there. Also want to put a half tablespoon of my powdered sugar. Alright, I'm gonna have to use a funnel for this. Alright, the half tablespoon of the powdered sugar. Put like a little salt. Alright, now I'm put my coffee, my 2 packs of coffee. Put the lid on here and go ahead and shake this up. Color don't look too bad. It's good, but I need more sugar. I'm putting some more sugar, powdered sugar. I don't care who gotta say anything about it. It's for my liking. A tablespoon. Boy, it sounds like they want to go down. Alright, let me shake this again. You can't stand for like a little pinch more. Am I gonna do it though? I just tasted coffee and I tasted brown butter slash cookie dough taste. Put like a little bit more. Alright, shake it one more time. This is like an ice cream sundae or an ice cream float. That's what it's giving. This is beautiful. Alright, let me get into it. Okay, I'm tasting like the little from the cookie dough. I guess it's the chocolate chunks. This is good. It tastes mainly the ice cream, which you should. I still taste the coffee. I taste that brown butter, which is, it tastes like cookie dough really. And I taste that vanilla paste that I put on here. Now it is kind of hard to come out. It's giving like milkshake. I got more coffee. I'm gonna add a little bit more in there. If you want yours to come out more, you can like wait till some of the ice cream or dairy dessert melts. Or just put less ice cream in there. But I don't have a problem with it at all. Yeah, I came more out like the actual iced coffee or iced latte. This is good. Now I know you're probably thinking like, which one's the best out of this one, or if you've seen when I did the fried cheesecake. They both is delicioso. I love sweet cream cheese, and you just gonna watch that. And then I love ice cream with coffee, and they're both good. What would I rate this? It's pretty and it's good. I'm gonna give it a 10.5. That's still great. Now, if you watch my channel, the highest I get is 11s. Now, the only reason why it's not 11, but it's a 10.5 is because I want the coffee to like easily slurped up. Like I told you with the ice cream, and which I don't have a problem with. But some people, I know some people might like, okay, if I wanted that, I'll just get a milkshake. Okay. Make this though, because it's the one, not the two. Yeah, let's stay.